Hello, my name is Pelin Haynes, and I'm a senior product marketing expert at Graphisoft for the last 2 years. So I am super thrilled to be here presenting Graphisoft's product strategies and missions today. So let's not lose any time and jump straight into it. So when we look at the construction industry challenges, we immediately see problems. So what are they? We're struggling with budget and times. We're contributing significantly to the global carbon emissions. We're wasting materials, and we're really lacking skilled staff. So keeping these challenges in mind, at Graphisoft, we're continuously evaluating our mission and following the latest trends as part of our product strategy. Interoperability is essential for seamless integration with the other tools, fostering collaboration amongst architects, engineers, and contractors. Artificial intelligence is transforming design processes with predictive insights and automation that enhance creativity and efficiency. Our focus on sustainability provides tools for creating eco-friendly buildings that meet modern environmental standards. And lastly, digital twins offer real-time, data-driven models that enable project teams to manage the entire building lifecycle. So our vision, it is simple. Our vision is to build innovative solutions to design the future. For this, we aim to provide intuitive design experience with customer-centric solutions as part of our strategies. Our product themes, following the latest trends, they include AI, sustainability, interoperability, user experience, security, and much more. We also want to achieve timely fixes and improvements, as well as upmarket expansions with security and performance. But let's take a close look into some of these themes. We had our product launch on the 2nd of October, and here you can see the list of all the new features and the feature improvements that has come out with the new release. We have some exciting developments, not only in Archicad side, but also in BIMX, BIM Cloud, and DDS-CAD for certain markets. So if you missed it, I highly recommend you to register and watch the on-demand videos. Okay, so let's start with artificial intelligence. It is transforming the construction industry by automating tasks and providing predictive insights. AI empowers design and construction teams to work smarter so that they can reduce errors and they optimize their resources. Our usage data and feedback show strong acceptance of the cloud-based solutions. We introduced AI Visualizer last year to inspire our users with their design iterations. And this year, starting with the new version of Archicad, we are moving to cloud-backed AI Visualizer delivery. We also have several research projects in progress aimed at revolutionizing key workflows across our software. One of these, the AI Visualizer Live concept, bridging physical models with the digital design. So here we have a combination of different objects to represent our building blocks and the vegetation around. So as you can see, we don't necessarily need the physical model built in Archicad. With the AI Visualizer Live, we will be presented different design iterations, both with the building itself and the surrounding environment. So this way, as you can see, we can now play around with the objects, change their location, orientation, or even add new objects to the combination or remove some if necessary. And again, the software will react to those changes and continue updating itself and give us new design iterations simultaneously. On top of this, we have a few more research projects related to AI. You can see a couple of examples here. One is to be able to incorporate voice and gesture control for the commands to be executed. And the other one is applied more to the automated documentation, specifically assisting keynotes, which is the new feature that we're releasing this year, to make sure that data is kept coordinated throughout the life cycle, of the project and assist the user where possible to reduce manual checks and therefore wrong data. Okay, so moving on to sustainability. It has become a key focus in the construction industry due to the rising demand for eco-conscious designs. By integrating sustainability throughout the building life cycle, we can create resilient structures that meet global standards and promote a greener future. So for this, we have several sustainable design solutions at Graphisoft. We have our native energy evaluation solution, which we released more than 10 years ago. So we were already thinking ahead and offering solutions for better energy life cycles. But on top of this, we have third-party integrations to strengthen the sustainability aspects. The current solutions focus on the life cycle assessments, and we are already looking into exploring other aspects of sustainable analysis. And finally, we support reuse workflows in which we focus on renovation or refurbishments and therefore scan to BIM clouds, point clouds, sorry. Okay, so if we go into further detail, life cycle analysis takes into account the entire life of the building, starting from the design phase and ending with the refurbishments. And soon it will become mandatory to submit an LCA footprint of the planned building. With life cycle analysis, users handle material database changes automatically and make informed decisions and pitch them to their client more confidently. As part of the sustainable design process, the importance of renovation is undeniable. And for this, our collaboration with the BIM solutions, which is a scan-to-BIM solution, they help users with the consuming measurements, multiple site visits, inaccuracies, and inevitably performance. Okay, in terms of interoperability, we will focus on the improvements of our collaborative workflows, both in our product ecosystem and our sister brands. So architects collaborate daily with other architects, stakeholders, or even clients across multiple platforms and different design phases. And it is important that this level of collaboration is as seamless as possible. So Graphisoft is always committed to open BIM standards, and here is the proof. Healthy and successful collaboration depends on an open BIM approach in which every project team works in their preferred software, but they still communicate through open standards and formats. So at Graphisoft, we support this approach by working with as many file types as possible. So in addition to IFC files, we also work with information delivery specification files, IDS in short. We also work with latest BIM collaboration format, BCF in short again, and SAF models for structural analysis. And again, to streamline model exchange, we also communicate with the latest version of Revit. On top of this, we do also offer native building systems to create end-to-end workflows within Archicad. We have MEP Designer. So with this, engineers and multidisciplinary firms who are frequently in contact with their MEP engineers, they can now work with accurate and intuitive toolsets in 3D models inside Archicad. So it reduces time spent on conversion, so you don't need to import, export things, and it leads to submitting an error-free model to the contractor. We're announcing new partnerships along with improved integration with our existing partners. So earlier this year, we partnered with BIM Solutions to enhance scan-to-BIM and point cloud workflows, making renovation and reuse projects even smoother in Archicad. Our deeper integration with Chaos Group's Enscape Solutions deliver workflows for real-time visualization, both on macOS and PCs, with seamless integration between Archicad and Enscape. For parametric design, we have a lengthy history with McNeil's Rhino and Grasshopper solution, where we are excited to have updated the workflows. But within the Nemetschek Group, we also offer a powerful set of tools tightly integrated to support your everyday design and construction projects. For example, we have Solibri Insight for design checking, and we have Bluebeam Connection for PDF-based collaboration. At Graphisoft, we have always prided ourselves on providing the most intuitive and user-friendly platforms to our customers, and we aim to improve our services every year. So this year is no exception. In February 2024, BIMX was the first BIM application that has been introduced and optimized on Apple Vision Pro. It works in augmented reality mode, meaning that the visible reality is mixed with the digital image. The navigation and the control is through the eye movement recognition and with some hand gestures, with additional buttons to press and with head movements. So far, the world is trying to understand how the Apple Vision Pro can be applied to daily workflows. For early adopters, we think that it can be a tool that enhances productivity, helps in an immersive 3D design, to present plans to clients, or even to support the construction process. Well, this was it from me. I know that it was information overload, but I really hope that you enjoyed the presentation and found it useful. So thank you very much.